Hi everyone, my name is Max, I'm from Casa, Argentina, and today we are going to cook together a classic, Beef Wellington. I've got here a beautiful piece of Argentinian fillet steak, very lean, no fat at all, and a bit of marble on this side. This is the Chateaubriand, it's about 600 to 700 grams depending on the cut. But what we do is remove the tail and the head of the full fillet and you get the centerpiece. The first step is very easy. We are going to season the fillet with salt and pepper. We are going to sear it in a very high fire all the way around, including the sides. And then when we remove the meat from the pan fry, we are going to brush it all over with Dijon mustard. Let it rest for about 10 to 20 minutes, and in the meantime, we are going to prepare the mushrooms. We are going to chop very finely the mushrooms, the shallots and the garlic, and we are going to cook it until the mushrooms releases all the water. Once it's cooked, we are going to keep it in the fridge for about 20 minutes to half an hour. Our meat is resting, our mushrooms are resting. Now we are going to prepare a very basic pancake batter to make 4 pancakes. So we are now removing the puff pastry from the fridge together with the prosciutto. So we have our fillet ready, our mushrooms ready, our pancakes are ready. Next step, we're going to start to put everything together. Put the first puff pastry. On top of the puff pastry, we're going to put 4 pancakes. The next layer will be the prosciutto. On top of the prosciutto, another layer of the mushroom paste, and then the fillet steak, and we are going to wrap all up together. The final layer will be another puff pastry that we are going to use for decoration. But before putting the beef Wellington in the oven, we are going to brush it with egg yolk to get that beautiful golden color. We're going to bake the beef Wellington for about 30 to 40 minutes to get a rare meat inside, pink and juicy, and then we are going to leave it to rest for about half an hour before serving.